Hey y'all, Miss Barbie, has inspired me to try and do little snippets every day since I'm sucking at getting regular videos up. And we just got a puppy. Lily is 10 weeks old this week, and the house is just crazy with 4 dogs again. But every day when we get off work, we bring him outside and have playtime. So I thought I'd share a little of that with you, since that's my life lately. So let me figure out how to turn the camera around. Maybe I'll just turn it on them. Can you say hello? Lily? It's Lily and Scout and DJ. Lily! Come here, baby. Come here. And just like kids, they're not going to cooperate when you want them to. So I'll insert some pictures of her or something to make it a little more interesting. But that's my world lately, is puppies and dogs and monitoring so the other dogs don't like step on her or hurt her. But everything's going really well. They play nicely together. Scout, our lab, gets a little excited and nips at her, but oh, now they're gonna play. Hello. Oh, don't pee on her. DJ? I guess that's the end of their playtime right now. They were going at it like crazy in the house. So I thought I'd give Vic a little break so she could finish dinner and we would come outside, and they're just sitting out here. Oh well, that's all for today.